Hey friends, if the battery slider is missing or grayed out on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to use a balanced power plan. Okay, so press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Now you have the balanced power plan here. If you have more power plans, then you can select it. The second one is to click on change plan settings and click on restore default settings for this plan and click on yes. The next solution is SFC scan because this will fix the problem if it is with missing or corrupt system files. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is a cloud reset. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down to recovery and click on recovery. Click on reset PC. Select remove everything. Select cloud download. And I'll tell you what cloud download does. If your local copy has gone bad, it is missing or corrupt, or it has a very corrupt image, in that case a cloud reset will download the image from the internet and install it on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.